here in Brentwood, California. It's about 9:45 in the p.m. And there's something running on the road. You freaking opossum! Don't do it! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Hope you're okay. Did you see that? That was an opossum. That was about the most exciting thing I think I've seen on the road in like 2 weeks. Maybe 3 weeks. I don't think I hit it. I would have felt that. Poor opossum. Probably scared him. These things are slow. I'm glad it was slow. I was able to move out of the way in time there. I don't think those things can see very well either. I hope that comes out in the video because it's just it's super dark out. So, but there's these street lights. The street lights are actually relatively bright. I mean, at least to me they look bright. But then again, we're talking GoPro here for night footage here. I don't know. No idea. We gotta check it out though. We gotta check it out. Poor opossum. He made it though. I think he made it. I hope he didn't have a heart attack. But he might have turned around or scooted. I did not see him in my rear view mirror. But he probably turned around in a hurry or kept going.